What is yoga?
Yoga, it's a very profound science, and so many millions of literature on yoga. I do not know what I can add to it. But yoga is very intimate to every person, to every animal. Yoga is the most intimate thing to you, and it's very natural. It's as simple as Angadai Lena. Have you had this Angadai Lena where you will stretch your body a little, maybe when you wake up? See, from slumber, when you wake up, the transition is an Angadai Lena, a stretch of the spine, a stretch of your hips, a stretch of your arms is what you do when you transit from slumber to awakening. And it's not the reverse. Nobody does a Angadai Lena from awakening, from wakeful state to slumber, to sleep. You do not do a stretch. So generally a stretch for the body is required when you move from lethargy, apathy, from laziness, from heaviness, from slumber into wakefulness, into vigilance, into rejuvenation, into relaxation. And that's when you do Angadai Lena, a stretch for the body, a stretch for the neck. Sometimes you roll the neck. And this, every animal does this. That it just shows that it's most natural and it's very intimate to everybody. To do yoga. And yoga, well, let's just stick to Angadai Lena. Let's not invent great words like yoga, joining, integration from the little bits, etc. Just leave it aside. The philosophy can wait. But basically the need to stretch, to allow the circulation, to move through, to allow the respiration to work well, we need to stretch our thoracic region, abdominal region, the neck and above, and below the thorax, the legs, etc., the arms. When it moves, when it circulates the blood, when it circulates the oxygen, the oxygenated blood, and when the respiration comes good, we feel revitalized, and the vitality, the brilliance, the vibrancy is enhanced through this kind of stretching, and everybody has to do it. And when you do it for 4 or 5 times, you invent your own Angadais. There are so many types of Angadai Lena which are doing it anyway, which is different for the hips, which is different for the neck, which is different for the spine. So you now start being a little innovative. Play with your body, do your own Angadai Lena, do your own stretches. And then slowly you start feeling the comfort of doing the stretches. Maybe just 15 minutes a day to 20 minutes a day, and then start categorizing it. Start giving it a structure of Angadai Lena. Structure it by yourself. Classify it, categorize it, start labeling it, sorting it, and within a week or two, from Angadai Lena, from having it structured, from articulating the most favorable stretch to your body, the most what you're comfortable and happy doing, because you have innovated by yourself. And then moving on to graduating into classifying, categorizing it, labeling it, you slowly arrive at your own yoga. Once you have done a little process for the body, and then you can enroll into a professional yoga school, you will be better at adapting the theory of yoga. On 21st of June this year, be there to do yoga collectively for the collective benefit of everybody. Enhance yoga, encourage yoga. Hopefully, I'll see you there too.